outlook for the Philippines. Sige, I'll summarize his speech. for 2 tickets to any domestic destination of Tiger Airways. Okay? He was asked during the, I believe it was during the question and answer portion. And he was asked the question, Dr. Villegas, if elections were held today, who do you think would be in a good position to run and win? Okay? And then, of course, he talked about different stuff, and then he said, that in the course of him answering the question, he mentioned, or he referred to somebody as the darkest horse during that election.
That's Jejo Marbinay.
Who's that?
Of course. Yes, sorry.
Your name first?
Ivy Deborah.
From?
Genpact.
From Genpact. I remember you asked a question too. Yeah, I remember that. See, I was listening and observing. So Jejo Marbinay is correct. Okay, so let's give all our participants a big round of applause. You may claim your prize there. Otherwise, Jojo will then return it for you. So now, to those of you who did not get an opportunity to win, don't fret. Because if you remain with us until lunchtime and not abscond and go to the beach, you still will have plenty of opportunities to win prizes. Because apart from domestic flights, I think you have several domestic flights still, you will have an opportunity to win laptops. I think, let me look at my notes. Oh, a smartphone and other very exciting prizes during the raffle. So no caveats anymore for us to ask. You have placed your business cards in those, I think, bowls that have been going around. So if you haven't done so yet, please make sure that your business cards are in there for more opportunities to win later. Okay? See you in a couple of minutes. Back with more prizes. I was told that our guest speaker will be here shortly, maybe around 10 more minutes. So our media focused friends told me that, hey, while they're waiting, why don't you give some more prizes? Give away some more prizes. So, yes, so we will be giving away a couple more Cheese Spa gift certificates. But to be fair to everyone, because earlier I was standing here, where do you want me to stand? Here. I did that already earlier. I understand that they added several tables, or they will be having several tables there. No? So maybe I'll go there so that the people here will have better chances of winning. So remember what we said earlier, right? You need to grab this mic. Don't shout out. I will pretend to be deaf. So just grab this mic if you know or if you think you know the right answer. So our first prize is another cheese spa gift certificate worth 5,000 pesos. Again, to be claimed in cheese spa, it's Shangri-La, Manila, and not here. Okay? So, question. Ready? Well, at least those people who are chatting with them another will not get an opportunity. Let's make them there. Okay. Okay. So, first question. During the talk about the Philippine economic outlook of Dr. Villegas, remember he's a top-notch economist, right? He spoke lengthily about some nations in Asia Pacific, which he called the breakout nations. What are the 3 breakout nations according to Dr. Villegas?
Okay. Vietnam, my name is Dolly Hoa from Cybertech District and PCO Institute in Bacolod City. Okay. It's Singapore, Vietnam, anyway, okay. Vietnam, Singapore, and Hong Kong.
You got how many countries there wrong? 2. Okay, so we'll give him a chance, hope and pray that he's wrong.
So, I'm Nick Galagega from Genha. So, that would be Vietnam, Indonesia, and Philippines.
He's correct. VIP, the breakout nations, Vietnam, Indonesia, and the Philippines. Okay, last question. We'll make it quick. I'll walk around to be fair. Okay. Mayor De La Rama was one of our welcome speakers, and he so generously shared to everyone that Cebu is open. And for us, ICCE delegates, and should you have questions, queries, who just want to say hi, you can call him directly. What is his cell phone number?
It's 0917-328-4711.
Because you were so fast, I did not get a chance to tell you what the next part of the process is. Which was, for you to get that cheese spa certificate, he needs to pick up the call. So call him. Let's see. Okay, no need for that. Go ahead and claim your prize. Thank you very much. So again, more prizes later during lunchtime raffle. Don't forget to drop your numbers, business cards. We have the Cambiolo being tossed around. I don't know where it is right now, but make sure that you have your business cards in there.